Good job. He saw one more spot. He said, I got to get smashed down. It's going to bother me. Won't be able to sleep tonight. Got to get that one spot. Got to get it. Got to get it. All right, once again, the distance to beat set by Tristan Ellington, 3:20.85. Two more pulls in this class. Got another Dodge coming up right here. Michael Christopher out of Paris, Kentucky. Got the green flag. Here we go. Oh, right there, just shy of it. Let's give him a hammer down in the Dodge. Yeah, right there. Let's give him a round of applause. Lake Hughes, 3-8. Got the jumping on, but let's give him a round of applause. I tell you what. Okay, here we go. Here you go, you forward man. How about that to start this show? Oh, right there. I tell you what, let's give him a round of applause. Good effort right there. 309.56. 3. How about that? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. 31562. Right there. Let's give him a round of applause. How about that run? I tell you what, you know that sled.
Oh no.
How about that noise there? But I tell you what, good run, Westlawn. Do a lot of work. We do have the Glendale Fire Department out here, and we'll talk about that later on. So I want to thank all of our first responders. Our final puller here tonight, Bruce Barnes out of Richmond, Kentucky. The distance will be 3:32.94. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
her. Let's give her a round of applause. Good run. Gracie Searcy out of Mount Eden. Now you see the distance there. Once again, we're going to see if it's official or not. It's going to be I believe that'd be a keeper. That's a good run. Now you got to keep in mind, people's not used to seeing these trucks and tractor pulls. Now, don't compare these to the last class because there's some adjustments that they do to the.
How about that, ladies and gentlemen?